Good morning. Welcome to another video of ZerothFloor. This video is about what ZerothFloor actually is. ZerothFloor is a collaborative floor plan annotation tool for construction companies, people who are working in construction business, and for architects, for homeowners, for apartment owners, management, all the people who have something to talk about when it comes to a floor plan or when it comes to a document that they want people to collaborate on. So that's what ZerothFloor is. This is mainly focusing on floor plans. So I have an account logged in already. I've logged into an account already. So this is the dashboard, and we'll just take an example floor plan. So this is a floor plan, and as you can see, I have already made some annotations. So what happens is, if I need to, let's just say, I need to actually, let's just see. Okay, here, let's just say that I want to do a chimney, which is not there. If it gets colder, I want to do a chimney. So what I will do is, I will create a rectangle, go here, and let's do this, and call it a chimney. We'll just do text. Here, we'll call it chimney. The chimney will also do a comment, actually, which is not required, but you can still do it. Let's just say, I want so you can also do voice notes. Concerned person, whoever's taking care of it, that this particular document, can do voice notes. And this, if you share it, let's just say I want to share this particular plan with all the annotations to a friend of mine, want to get his review on whether it will be good to have a chimney there. I can share this. I already have a share here, and it is open up here. So you can see the share will also be able to see all the annotations, and they will be able to see what exactly the comment is. This is a read-only public shareable viewer. So yeah, this is basically ZerothFloor. It is meant for bigger companies taking care of a lot of different customers, and who are in need of a lot of different feedback. And just to mention this, each annotation created is a task that needs to be resolved. As you can see, you need to resolve this particular task. At the same time, I can actually assign this task to a different user, and they have to finish up the task once they are assigned to them. Yeah. Anyways, that's ZerothFloor. Thank you for coming on board. Bye-bye.